Well, back here in our area, what started as an organization focused on improving the well-being of Hispanics and other underserved communities in the CSRA has now grown into several clinics.
Tiffany Hobbs takes us to Clinica Latina.
A lot of these patients wouldn't have the health care that they need, and by just doing that little thing, we can help this community a lot.
Clínica Latina is just one of many free clinics housed at Centro Médico on Mary Street in Augusta. The clinic provides services to people without health insurance or living 200% below the national poverty level.
Se siente apretado.
It feels tight.
They also provide interpreting services.
The biggest barriers for the Hispanic community is language, and by kind of being able to eradicate that barrier and give kind of patient care to these patients has been such a rewarding experience.
Medical Director Dr. William Salazar tells us the vision for Centro Médico and the many clinics it houses began when he was considering mission work outside of the U.S.
One of my med students, third year, told me, "Why do you have to move out of Augusta if the service is here and the need is here?"
With that, he decided to pursue his mission right here in the heart of the CSRA.
We started with Hispanic community, and then we moved to provide care to everyone that meets criteria.
Claudia Schleck is a first-generation American. Her parents came from Poland. While she was growing up, she says she went to doctor's appointments with her grandmother and watched her mom make things easier as her interpreter.
This was something that I wanted to do with any patient that comes in because, doctor's offices are scary, emergency rooms are scary, and not having that language is a terrifying experience when you're already sick and don't want to be there.
Dr. Salazar says they see nearly 250 patients per month, and 600 volunteers make it possible to provide their various services to the community.
You can imagine the sense of accomplishment, not only for me as medical director, it's really an interplaying of really working together and make sure that we are here to provide those services for our community.
It's always a great environment in the clinic. We're always all so happy and laughing, and the patients all appreciate it. So it's just been a really great year.
Clinica Latina is available the first and third Wednesday of each month, beginning at 5 p.m. For more information about Clinica Latina and Centro Médico, visit us at WJBF.com.
Still ahead, we look at the influence Hispanic culture has had on the world of sports, specifically baseball.
And we'll take you to a place where some of that baseball history is being kept alive. Stay with us.